Hello everybody, welcome back. The last week was full of exciting and interesting movie news. DC Fandom probably has become the most astonishing event, but still, there are other interesting things you should know. If you don't want to miss anything, take your seat and let's start. No doubt, the last DC Fandom provided the fans of superhero movies with jaw-dropping news and amazing trailers of the upcoming films. Right now, we'll recollect everything we've seen during this awesome online event. Wonder Woman 1984. The star cast of the Wonder Woman sequel, including Chris Pine and Gal Gadot, gathered together with movie director Patty Jenkins to discuss the upcoming film. Also, they've delighted us with a new trailer, which gives us the first look at Kristen Wiig's Cheetah in her fully transformed state. The movie release is scheduled for the 2nd of October 2020. Flash. During the DC Fandom, the film director Andy Muschietti and screenwriter Christina Hodson confirmed that the movie will show us the time travels, which will lead to changes in the DC multiverse. It'll provide opportunities for multiple versions of DC's film and TV characters to interact with each other. The first concept art from the project shows Ezra Miller's Flash in a new suit fighting together with Keaton's Batman. The Suicide Squad. Every new character of this upcoming film was revealed by its director, James Gunn. Idris Elba has got the role of Bloodsport, John Cena will play Peacemaker, and Pete Davidson will appear as Blackguard. Also, Gunn shared a new teaser, which consists of some movie footage and behind the scenes. The film is supposed to come out on the 6th of August, 2021. The Snyder Cut of Justice League. The long-expected film will be released on HBO Max in 2021. DC Fandom showed us the teaser trailer, providing a short glimpse of this masterpiece. We saw a lot of new scenes, introduction of Darkseid, the changed design of Steppenwolf, Superman in the black suit, and other important things. Consider that the new Justice League will be divided into 4 parts. Each of them will last nearly an hour. As soon as they'll come out, Justice League will be released as a 4-hour movie. Black Adam. Dwayne Johnson showed the trailer of his film, Black Adam. Although he hasn't shared the information about casting, we know that the film will include such characters as Hawkman, Cyclone, and Dr. Fate. Also, we'll see the debut of Justice Society of America in the movie, as well as Noah Centineo playing Atom Smasher. Shazam! DC Fandom revealed the title of the Shazam sequel, which is Shazam! Fury of the Gods. Consider that the release date of the movie is the 4th of November 2022. Aquaman. The Aquaman panel offered us only a tease of what we should expect from the movie sequel directed by James Wan. Nonetheless, the filming hasn't started yet. Right now, it's scheduled for a 2022 release date, and according to the words of its director, the film will be a little bit more serious than the first part. Also, Patrick Wilson has confirmed that we will see him as Ocean Master again. The Batman. The first Batman trailer is full of new ideas, including the distinct versions of Batman, Jim Gordon, Catwoman, the Penguin, and the Riddler. We should expect to see this story about the second year of Batman's attempts to crack down on the Gotham criminals, not sooner than the 1st of October 2021. And now let's have a look at other news. Tom Cruise supported the Tenet movie by posting a 34-second video. It shows him driving to the theater with American film director Christopher McQuarrie. The two men visited the cinema hall, and after the performance, Tom admitted that he liked the movie. Netflix will reunite with Ryan Reynolds and John August to start the work on a new original comedy movie titled Upstate. Also, there is the information that Reynolds will be co-writing the upcoming film. Unfortunately, the plot details haven't been revealed yet. Famous Marvel star Chris Hemsworth may get a key role in the new prequel Mad Max Furiosa. This movie, directed by George Miller, will show us a story about a younger version of Imperator Furiosa from Mad Max Fury Road. Hemsworth may get the role of Dementus, who is described as an incredibly handsome, middle-aged man. Netflix has been showing Making the Witcher documentary, which includes exclusive behind-the-scenes. The audience can see the creation of the popular TV series about the Geralt of Rivia, aka Henry Cavill. The movie lasts for 32 minutes and shows the casting process, choreography, creation of visual effect, and other interesting things. The adaptation of Stephen King's The Stand novel will be finally released on the 17th of December on CBS All Access. The key roles will be played by talented James Marsden, Alexander Skarsgård, and Whoopi Goldberg. The 10-episode limited TV series is directed by Josh Boone. According to the information provided by Deadline, the movie directors Andy and Ryan Tohill are exiting the project due to creative differences. It's informed that Legendary has been unsatisfied with the footage shot over the first week of filming. Right now, David Blue Garcia is going to continue the work on the upcoming horror movie. Lionsgate has confirmed that we should expect to see the 5th movie about John Wick's adventures. Nonetheless, the film director Chad Stahelski informs that he'll be able to start thinking about the development of the new part only when John Wick 4 will be ready for release. Consider that now the movie is scheduled for the 27th of May, 2021. That's all for now. And what do you think about the mentioned events? Please stay with us to discover more exciting movie news next week.